Good morning. This is Van with Level 8, July 22nd, doing some pre-market work here. Running a little bit behind schedule, so let's get started with this right away. So our key ranges charts, what we start with every morning, where we look at yesterday's auction levels, H1 and L1. That's the high and low of yesterday's auction. We're squarely inside yesterday's auction, really close to the midpoint on both. Even though we've come down 0.9%, 0.8% and 0.3 on the indexes, with technology being a higher beta. NQ swings more. It's just more sensitive to the things that move ES and SPX. We're both under VWAP here, moving up towards it. That's the Globex VWAP. We have an initial call this morning of a lower value accepted. That's comparing it to yesterday's regular session volume profile. So we get a likely bearish call here. We get a VWAP magnet likely here on ES. Now this could be a good combination for us if we can get some good waves away, get reversals, and come back and touch VWAP. This is a pretty common one that we see. So uh, that is a positive thing for us. These these treasuries are down here this morning. They're not. It's not really significant, but they are negative, so they're a little bit of a headwind to the upside there. And you can see that their volume delta has been moving a little positive here with this move up. In terms of the longer term, looking at our longer term time frames here, still this definitive move to the downside. The 200 is well away on the daily chart, but on the 400 we've moved down towards it. And when we get this 8, this yellow EMA moving down, that's just a bearish structure. So there's a bearish structure on the EMAs, but the price has moved above this 8, so we get into transition a little bit. So it's mixed. I mean, it's certainly, from a longer term standpoint, it's bearish, neutral, or bearish with the structure. We have, in terms of levels, we have let's go find the 2, 5, 10, and 15-minute chart here. We have H2 and H3. This is Monday and Friday up here. These are levels we're going to watch to the upside before we get to H1 or the pre-market high. So 29,190, 22,220 in here. These are previous highs. So those were institutional levels at the time. We'll be watching those. Looking at these 200s here. We always locate our 200s at all times. We're on a 200 here at the opening, starting with this 2 minute. So if we in normal situations, we'd be looking for a bounce to the downside off of that. But we're coming into the open, and that's not a normal situation. Okay, as we said here, let's go look at these rates are down. These treasury prices are down. That means the yields are up. That puts pressure on these index prices because the treasury notes and bonds become relatively more attractive than the equities, and we can see rotation towards the equities from the really big asset allocators. Crude oil is up again. It's going to be a big part of everything we see. It's actually fallen a little bit just as I've been here in the last hour or so, which is supportive. The rest of these indexes are all down just a little bit minimally. Bitcoin's one, it's the most, but NQ's leading everything to the downside now. We'll probably find out that it's those semiconductors again that are leading the charge to the downside when we start getting some data, some regular session data. Stocks here will most likely be leading the downside there. And that's it. It's pretty quick this morning in terms of the in terms of the calls that we have. Uh, it is a bearish to bearish neutral type of call. We're looking for rotation around VWAP, touching VWAP. We may get that early here. We may get it on ES very soon, and then we can get a run one way or the other. And we'll look for that into the 10 o'clock hour Eastern time when we really start paying a lot of attention to how we want to trade. But if you like it, if you like this content, like and subscribe. Uh, Go like and subscribe on our YouTube channel, Level 8 Trading. Uh, go to level8trading.com, get in our Discord. You'll see how we trade this workspace. You'll see how we solve this puzzle every day using these levels. And I will probably see you for the post market.